Setting up a USB Docket printer in AAAPOS RetailManager. In this video, you'll learn how to set up a USB Docket printer in AAAPOS RetailManager, including configuring features like paper cutting, double width, and second color printing. First, install the driver software supplied with your printer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions exactly. Launch RetailManager, go to the Setup menu, and select Hardware. This opens the Hardware Settings window. Click on the Docket Printer tab, and enable the Use Docket Printer option. From the drop-down list, choose USB Printer. Now choose your printer model. If it supports advanced features, the control codes will automatically populate. Enable the paper cutter by selecting the Activate checkbox, and choose either half cut or cut. Enter the number of lines to advance before cutting, typically 10 lines. Click Test to ensure it functions correctly. Check the double width on or off codes. Click Test. You should see the first line in double width and the second in normal width. If not needed, delete these codes. Check the second color on or off codes. Click Test. The first line should print in red, or your second color, and the second in black. If not needed or unsupported, leave these fields blank. Click Apply to save your changes, then close the Hardware Settings window. To select which types of documents will print on your Docket printer, go to Setup, Options, Printing, and select Docket 40 column for each relevant option like sales, lay-by, payments, etc. You're now ready to use your USB Docket printer with RetailManager. For more tutorials, visit the RetailManager video library.